Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, I just want to say welcome and thank you for always tuning into my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And if you're just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on that subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell to notify you of any time I upload a new video. It will surely mean a whole lot to me. So guys, back to the video of the day. Please do not mind my no makeup face. You know, it is summer, it's very stressful applying makeup these days. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how I made this creamy DIY shea butter. Yes guys, it is very beneficial to the hair and to the skin, and it moisturizes dry skin. If you have dry skin like me, you will find this very helpful, and they are all natural ingredients. So guys, if you want to see how I made this creamy shea butter, do not go away, keep on watching. So guys, these are the stuff I'll be using. This is my shea butter. It is very little. This is what is remaining from what was sent to me from Nigeria. It is the original one. So I'll be using this. Also, I'll be using almond oil, which I made myself. Castor oil. Coconut oil. And also I'll be adding a bit of glycerin. This is optional, you don't have to add it. Some people don't add it. I am adding it because glycerin is very good for the skin, so I'm going to be adding very little because I'm going to be using this cream for my skin and for my hair. Also grapeseed oil, tree tea oil, they are all very good. Depends on the one you have at home. You can use any of them, but as for me, these are the three I will be using. Now I'm going to put a shea butter in this bowl. I chose this big bowl so that I can be able to whip it very well. That's why I'm using this big bowl. As you can see, the shea butter I have left is very little. So people have different way of melting this shea butter. Some put hot water in a bowl and place it underneath this bowl so the shea butter can melt. But I will be melting mine in the microwave or on my stove on low heat. So before I go to melt it, I will just mix all my oils together. Some people prefer to mix it after it has been melted. So I'm going to be adding the oil now. As for the coconut oil, I'll be adding a tablespoon. One tablespoon of castor oil, a tablespoon of almond oil, so as for the glycerin, I'm just going to add half a tablespoon, which is a teaspoon. So the next step is for me to go and melt them together. So here is me melting it on the stove on low heat. So darlings, this is how the mixture looks like. So the next step is for me to refrigerate it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like after being in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. So the next step is to whip it with a hand mixer, where my hand mixer is broken, so I don't have a hand mixer anymore. I'm going to try to use the big one, which is not working very well, but I will manage and I will show you the results. So this is the result I got, guys. It is a bit light, but it is nice. So people like to make theirs a bit thicker, where if you guys recall, my shea butter wasn't much, so this is the quantity I got. It is very creamy and it is very good for the skin. It really helps with dry skin. I am really loving this. I know it is summer and it's a bit hot, but applying just a tiny bit on your skin gives you that moisturized and glowy look. Also, this mixture is very good for the hair. It facilitates hair growth and helps with longer and thicker hair. Yes, with the mixture of castor oil, almond oil, coconut oil and shea butter. Expect the best. It also helps with split ends and prevent hair breakage. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.